Hey guys, so this week on YouTube Sisters is Hair Week. Something a little different than what we usually do. But today I'm going to be showing you how to curl your hair. Now you might be thinking, Shona, is this going to be a joke video? Is it going to be a serious video? No, it's not going to be jokey. I'm actually going to be showing you how I curl my hair. And I don't know, maybe some of you will benefit from this. So I've got my curlers warming up over there, but I will show you those in just a second. I'm going to start by just sectioning my hair off. Depending on how thick your hair is, you might want to do more sections. I'm just going to split it into two. So I'm just going to take, I don't know, about this much hair, just the top layer, and just tie it up. You could use, I forgot what those clips are called. Are they called butterfly clips or something? You could use one of those, but I'm just going to use a bubble. So I'm probably going to look a bit crazy tying this on top of my head, but don't worry, we will take it down later. You can't see it anyway. Probably a good thing. So that just fell, but that's okay. We're gonna need to spray our hair with some heat protectant. Now I have the VO5 Heat Protect Styling Spray. I really love this stuff. So I'm just going to spray that on the end of my hair so that we don't burn our hair off, basically. Alright, so I've sprayed that on. Did get a bit on myself, but it smells really nice, so that's okay. So our curl should be ready to roll by now. These actually, apparently, I haven't really tested, heat up in 30 seconds, which is very quick. They feel like they've heated up. It's really hard to burn yourself on these because the plastic gets warm, but I can touch it and it's not really too hot. These are the Remington Easy curlers, and they make it really easy to curl your hair. So I find when curling my hair, it's much easier to take smaller sections than it is to take bigger sections. One, because I just think it looks better, and two, it takes less time. Now you may think that's weird because obviously bigger sections you need to do less, but I find that this curls better when you do smaller sections, so you don't have to keep going back over them. So I'm just going to take some hair about this much. You could say, well, I think that's quite a good amount. And then this has a little clip thing here, and I'm just going to clip it in. So my camera cut out, so I decided to do a voiceover, but all I did was clip the bottom of my hair into the curler and then just twist it upwards so that it curled my hair, and I held it for about 7 to 10 seconds before releasing it, and then you are left with a really, really beautiful curl. So I did that to the rest of my hair. And that's really all there is to it. It's really super duper easy. And if you don't have this curling iron, then I'm pretty sure there's methods that you can use that work as well. I just wanted to give you some tips so that maybe it will help you.
Just kinda did. I was being sarcastic and asked for a kiss. You've been on my mind.
So I have 3 main steps when it comes to curling my hair, or tips. The first one is to use reasonably sized sections. So as I said at the beginning of the video, I like to use smaller sections, but just use whatever works for you and your curling iron. My second step is to hold it on for a reasonable amount of time. That is so that you just get a really, really nice curl and it's gonna stay. And my final tip is don't be afraid to use styling products. Definitely use heat protectants and hairsprays and serums to help your hair remain healthy because heat is damaging to your hair, and just to help your hairstyle look much nicer. So when I'm done curling, I'm just using my L'Oreal Elnet hairspray just to hold the curls in place, and then I'm done. So let's recap the tips. Tip 1, use reasonably sized sections of hair. Tip 2, hold your hair for a reasonable amount of time. And tip 3, don't be afraid to use styling products. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you very soon. Goodbye!